Now that we have our dependencies installed, we can now install Ionic and Cordova. So what we need to do is run npm install Ionic Cordova-g, and this will install the Ionic package which we're going to use to develop our mobile apps, and also install Cordova. So Cordova allows us to access the native device APIs, such as the camera, geolocation, and so on. So as we've verified that we have both Node and npm installed, we can then access the package manager by saying npm, and what we want to do is install the following packages, Ionic and Cordova, and by using the -g flag, what this does is it installs it globally on the machine. So let's do that. What this will do is now make it accessible from anywhere inside of our command line. So we don't have to be in a particular folder to access the Ionic CLI. And the same goes for Cordova. You'll find that often if your project wants to use a particular package, then we won't install it globally. We will install it to the project folder. But if you want to use something like a command line interface and we want to access it throughout anywhere on the system, then we'll be installing things globally with the -g flag. When installing our packages, you may find that you do get this warning here. That shouldn't be a problem if we can then type Ionic-v, and Ionic-v will give us the version number of our Ionic CLI and Cordova-v2. We'll also get the version of Cordova, and what this is essentially doing is now giving us access to both Ionic and Cordova from the command line. Each time you can see if we type these in now, we do get a variety of different things that we can do. We can start off by using things like the docs, the info, login, and so on. We'll have a look at that in more detail in future sections. All you need to do right now is understand that we've installed Ionic and Cordova to our machine. The process here is the same for each operating system, it's only the installation of Node that is different.